After a long, tiring day, all you want to do is unwind with a good show on Netflix. You start scrolling through the endless options, each one more enticing than the last. And what happens? An hour later, you're left frustrated and empty-handed. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? But what if I told you this isn't just about Netflix? FOBO seeps into the very fabric of our lives, affecting not just us but the people around us. Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of choices, from Netflix dilemmas to life-altering decisions? Welcome to the world of FOBO, fear of better options. But fear not, because today, we're not just talking about the problem. We're unveiling the ultimate solution that's going to revolutionize the way you make choices. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. The roots of FOBO. Patrick McGinnis, the genius behind terms like FOBO and FOMO, suggests that these feelings are deeply embedded in our biology. The pursuit of the best has been hardwired into our DNA by our ancestors. But here's the twist. Modern technology and the internet have cranked up the volume on FOBO. With countless choices at our fingertips, coupled with the ability to compare ourselves with others, FOBO has become a formidable force. FOBO and narcissism. McGinnis doesn't mince words when he connects FOBO with narcissism. Choosing one option means letting go of others, and that emotional struggle feeds the beast of FOBO. It's that fear of letting go, the hesitation to mourn what could have been, that unintentionally puts our interests above everyone else's, leaving those around us hanging in limbo. Maximizers versus satisficers. Now let's delve into the psychology of decision-making. Psychologists categorize us into two groups, maximizers and satisficers. Maximizers seek the maximum benefit in the long term, often dwelling on potential losses. On the flip side, satisficers go for what benefits them now, making choices that suit their immediate needs. And guess what? Maximizers tend to be less satisfied with their choices, missing out on the psychological benefits of commitment. The college conundrum. Remember those college days when classmates couldn't decide on a major, hopping from one degree to another? We all know someone like that. The truth is, most of us won't have it all figured out, whether it's choosing a college major, pursuing further education, starting a business, or even deciding on dinner. The key is to choose something that feels right and commit to it. The power of commitment. I've got a personal story for you. Back in business school, I was dead set on a corporate career, climbing the corporate ladder, becoming a CEO. That was the plan. But life had other ideas. The economy took a hit, and my path shifted. I ended up starting a business with my father and eventually discovered my passion for writing. The lesson? Commitment is the path to genuine joy. The consistency factor. Here's a golden nugget of wisdom. Success is all about consistency. Choose something you can be consistent about and stick with it. Whether it's a career path, a hobby, or a daily routine, when you commit and stay consistent, the best options naturally reveal themselves. It's like a ripple effect of positive choices. Expanding on the ripple effect. When you commit and stay consistent, it's not just about the individual choice. It's about creating a positive momentum in your life. Each decision builds on the last, creating a foundation of success. The joy of commitment isn't just in that single choice. It's in the journey of interconnected choices leading to a fulfilling and purposeful life. Navigating life's twists. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes, despite our best efforts, plans don't unfold as expected. That's where the beauty of commitment shines. It's not about rigidly adhering to a predefined path, but adapting and pivoting when needed. By embracing change with a committed mindset, you transform challenges into opportunities, further enriching your life's tapestry. Your journey to joy. So, dear decision makers, as you embark on your journey to overcome FOBO, remember that commitment isn't a rigid chain. It's a guiding compass. Each decision, each commitment, contributes to the masterpiece of your life. Break free from indecision, embrace the joy of commitment, and witness the extraordinary unfold in ways you never imagined. Now, go out there and conquer your choices. Until next time, stay committed, stay consistent, and live your best life.